Hello, I'm Helen Bradley. Welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking at downloading your own YouTube videos from your own YouTube video channel. This is a really handy technique to be able to do because sometimes you want to back up your videos, or you may want to take a video to another platform, and you can do that here inside your Creator Studio. Now I'm going to do it both in the old Creator Studio and the new YouTube Studio Beta. So you'll go to your Creator Studio. Now obviously that means you're going to be logged into YouTube and you're going to be in your videos area. So any one of these videos, whether you have released it or not, you can download by locating the video in your videos list and click this drop down list. And here is the download MP4 option. So click this and you'll be downloading your video as an MP4, and you can see that it's running over here. Now I'm just going to stop that because let's have a look at what we would do in YouTube Studio once it's been released. Right now it's in beta. So let's just go there and go to the videos area. Again, here is a list of the videos that are in my channel, and any one of these I can go to. Click this little kebab icon, this set of 3 dots, and you'll get your options, and there's a download option there. And again, clicking that will start a download of an MP4 of that particular video. So anytime you need to back up your videos or get a copy of one of your videos for whatever reason, it's dead simple inside YouTube. You don't need any special software. You don't need to do anything fancy. It's just accessible there to you. I hope this video has helped you. Please, if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you'll be alerted when new videos are released. Until next time, my name's Helen Bradley. Thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel.